As Jamaica celebrates the release of dancehall artist Buju Banton, I must weigh in on the issue. And one of the things that I found is the fact that we have embraced an individual who is one of us, and we have not stopped believing in him. And true to form, many times we as a people feel as though nobody believes in us. Something has happened, our name has been called, we've been wronged, we have been blamed for being wrong, and there is a mass exodus of supporters. But it has really been heartwarming to see over the years that Jamaicans have stood by this gentleman. They have held on to the fact that they love him, and up on his release, there was jubilation, celebration all across the island and the diaspora. Last night, as he touched down on Jamaican soil, it was ecstatic. It was full of joy and jubilation, and I saw them celebrating the man, the artist, the Jamaican. I saw where Jamaica, land of beauty, indicated with open arms, welcome home. And that is a true Jamaican spirit. This is not about getting into a discussion. A charge was laid, time was served, it is over, come home. And I can only imagine as he lies in his warm bed, lovingly prepared, and probably consumed for the first time in a long time his favorite Jamaican dish. He said, knowing no better than yard. And this is how I want us to go into the new year, embracing the person, celebrating the fact that as a person, you are important to me. As a person, you add value to me. As a person, I am happy to welcome you home into Jamaica, land we love, into the family, into our lives. Because you see, Jamaica is a warm place. Jamaicans are warm people. Jamaicans love you. And we're very, very happy that given the circumstances, given the obstacles, you, Buju Banton, upon returning to Jamaica, knew that you had come home. Welcome home.